ACE focuses on implementation of education, training, public awareness, public participation, and public access to information, so as to enhance the actions under the Paris Agreement through ACE-related activities. The aim of this workshop is to therefore develop a list of actions that can help our ACE negotiators identify, define, and discuss the actions and issues in this area that can support the implementation of the Paris Agreement through the ACE activities.